Hey everybody, welcome back to Stone Mountain Barbecue. I'm Jason, and I appreciate you for stopping by. Today we're cooking inside the house. Florence has kind of got us pushed inside. We're not getting anything like the folks over on the coast are, so keep them in your thoughts and prayers. We've just got a lot of wind, and we got a lot of trees and acorns. They really hurt when they hit you in the side of the face. So we're cooking in the house. We've got some chicken quarters going today. Oven's preheating to 400 degrees. Let's get these chicken quarters seasoned up. Y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. We've got our 4 chicken quarters set up here. I've got them on just like a baking sheet with a little wire rack, just to kind of keep them up off of that sheet. We're going to roast these things in the oven today. But super simple, super easy recipe. We're just going to take some parquet. Chicken's pretty lean, so we're just going to put a little bit of it on here just as a binder and also as a little bit extra fat on it. We're going to just brush the parquet around on everything. This will help the rub stick, but it'll also help the skin kind of tighten up and not burn as bad. So we're just going to get all of these brushed up, and then we're going to get our rub put on here. Today we're going to be using Caribeque's new Signature Series chicken rub. I haven't gotten to use this yet, but I'm really excited about it. I ordered some, and Kurt hooked me up with a few extra things. They don't pay me for any of the videos that I do. They just really appreciate it. It's really good products. I feel like I have to say that every time because I use them so much, but if you want to check out their website, the link will be down below. Alright, so we just want to make sure these are coated. And then we're just going to flip our chicken. Alright guys, now that our chicken is rubbed up, seasoned up, ready to go, Mo Butter makes it better. I just want to do a shout out real quick. Weez Be Cooking. Y'all go check him out. I'll put a link to his channel down below. He's getting everything started up. He's a Tennessean, so I gotta like him. Although I think he wore a Florida shirt in one of his videos. You know what? Never mind. Don't even, never mind. Just forget that. Just forget that. Anyway, now that our chicken's rubbed up, guys, we're going to go ahead and pop it in the oven. Like I said, we're preheated to 400 degrees. We're going to go on each side for about 20 minutes. And then after that 20-minute mark, we're going to jack the temperature up to about 425. And then we're going to do a special little sauce introduction here. Something that I have fallen in love with over the last few weeks is an Alabama white sauce. This one comes from Lillie's Q Barbecue Sauces and Rubs. I found it on the local store shelf. You can probably find something similar to it also. But I'm really intrigued by it. I really want to start trying to make my own, so be sure to tune in later on for a video that may show me trying to give it a whirl there. But we're going to use that last 10-15 minutes to kind of coat these up as a finishing sauce and then dip them in later. But let's get these things in the oven. Oh yeah, this chicken is done, folks. We put it in the oven at 400 degrees, meat side down first on our little roasting tray. Put it in there for 20 minutes, flipped it over skin side down, another 20 minutes. Pulled it out, checked it out. It had already temped at that point. We wanted to get this skin nice and crispy, so we popped it back in the oven, raised that temp, 425. That was only about 4 or 5 minutes is all we did, and we got this nice charred crispiness on the top. Sounds pretty good. We're going to go ahead and finish it off with this Alabama white sauce. Like I said, I plan to make my own eventually, but this is from Lillie's Q Barbecue Sauces and Rubs. They call this their Ivory, Northern Alabama style. Apparently it's a little bit different because they put a little bit of Cajun spice in theirs, but we're just going to finish some of this off here. I'm not going to do 2 of them because wifey might want some. And I don't know if she'd like this sauce. So I'm being thoughtful. We ain't cutting nothing. We're doing it caveman style. We're just going in for it. Is there anything on my face? I feel like there's something on my face. No? Okay. That chicken is super good. It's spicy, but it's sweet. That sauce gives it that tang. Most of the time, Alabama white sauce. Okay, I'm sorry, I gotta get this on my face. Most of the time, Alabama white sauce has a little bit of horseradish mixed in there. I don't know if theirs does, but that's what gives it kind of that bite, that zesty, that tanginess. You can definitely taste it in here. I can get the rub. I taste the salt, the paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. It gives it a nice little heat on the back end. But this chicken is super juicy. I was worried because when we temped it, it temped a little bit higher than what I wanted it to. I mean, fall apart in your mouth. Make your tongue want to jump out and smack your forehead. That is good. I'm a huge fan of white sauce now, guys. We found that on the shelf. I've eaten it on pulled pork. I eat it on some brisket. I love it on this chicken. This Caribeque Signature Series chicken rub. Go check it out. Links down below to their website if you want to try some. This is an awesome quick recipe, guys, that you can do in the house. You don't have to fire up the smoker. You don't have to fire up the grill. You don't have to do any of that. Throw it in the oven, walk away, set your timer every couple minutes, come back and check it. It's really good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. We're cooking in the house. The weather has made us just stay in for a few videos now. So we're just going to keep it rolling. We love this kitchen. It's the new house. We're super happy to be here. But most of all, we're happy to be doing videos again. So I appreciate you for watching. Be sure to check out whatever I got down here in this little description box. Follow me on social media, all that good stuff. There's a PayPal link down there. If you want to check that out, that's awesome. If not, don't worry about it. Go check out my buddy James over at Weesby Cooking. His link is going to be down there, even if he is a Florida fan. And yeah, guys, till next time, y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Thanks, guys. God bless. God bless this chicken, dude. Good stuff, boo. And then we're just going to flip our chicken. Ah! Good thing we can edit. Oh yeah. Chicken is done, folks. We put it in the oven at 400 degrees. Bit of terabyte drug. Yeah, how'd that go?
Oh man, we just spent like 5 minutes fixing that. Dang it.
Hey, and this chicken's right. Everybody's here on the side. Fly, I'm gonna kill it. Ain't gonna die.